How to score leads automatically with n8n and Airtable. You open Slack and see a notification. High potential lead. Alex CTO at Open Future. Score 65. You didn't open a sheet, you didn't run any script. The system stored and alerted your team while you slept. This workflow will pull your Google Sheet for new leads, will score each lead automatically using deterministic rules, job title plus company size plus keywords. Upsert the scored lead into Airtable, alert sales via Slack for high scoring leads. You'll predict outcomes at each step, gamified and cinematic. Ready? Let's go. This is the first node, the cron node, the poll leads. How often do you want lead score? This cron node trigger the flow. You can choose every day or every 5 minutes, every hour. You have here every minute also. What it does, wakes the workflow on schedule so Google Sheet is pulled and new updated rows are processed. Google Sheet, read the lead sheet. Where will your raw leads live? In a Google Sheet with columns like email, full name, job title, company, employees, and notes. What is that this node? It reads all the rows or only rows with process flag equal to false and hands them to scoring. After that, you have the function node. How do you decide whether a lead is hot? Deterministic rules, job title, keywords, company site, and simple domain keyword checks. These rules are transparent and auditable. Let's open it. So you have here that returns the full name, the email, the job title, the company size, and the employees and the notes. The output, it's a score integer, a score breakdown string, and the lead, though that is the original fields. What it does, produce a clean JSON per lead including scoring fields used downstream. Next node, it's Airtable. How do you persist scores so the team can act and history is kept? Upsert to Airtable using email as the key. Create new records or update existing one. So the operation is upsert and the key field will be the email. The map field will be the full name, the job title, the company, the employees, the score breakdown, the notes, and the source. This ensures every lead in Airtable has the latest score and details. What score triggers an alert? We threat score more than equal, greater or equal to 50 as hot, adjustable. The if node route high scoring lead to Slack. So the if node trigger, is this a hot lead? If the condition is true, we'll go to the Slack notify. If false, we'll end the workflow. What do this node? The Slack? Alert the sales squad. How do you make sure sales react instantly? Post a concise Slack message with name, title, company score, and Airtable link. So you have here the channel sales alert and the text. Hot lead alert, JSON full name, JSON job title, JSON company, JSON employees, JSON score, JSON notes, and the link, the Airtable link. What it does, notify the teams so CDRs can follow up immediately. So the source is the Google Sheet that is pulled with the cron. The scoring is the deterministic rule-based function node. The persistence is the Airtable upsert. The alert is the Slack for hot leads. And finally is the fully automated auditable adjustable threshold. That was all for this tutorial, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next video. Bye.